Designed by architect Daniel Fromer, Iporanga House or Casa Iporanga is a holiday beach home that blend into the landscape using local materials and construction techniques. Located in the middle of the Atlantic forest in São Paulo coast, the home seems to spring from the land on which it is located. Limitations on land occupation imposed a lien program. Access to the house is via a bridge that connects to the street and serves as a car shelter. The entrance hall opens into the surrounding woods and resolves the vertical circulation, housing the staircase that connects the lower floor to the distribution gallery to the two suites which, through a long balcony, open to the sea view. There are two bedrooms on the access floor and, on the lower floor, a living room/terrace connected to the deck and pool, which overlooks the woods with the sea in the background. In this floor, the architects opted for the construction process in wood frame internally covered by cementitious plates and externally by reclaimed Peroba Rosa, a native wood, almost extinct, which allowed a quick and clean work. The lower floor, which touches the ground, develops constructively in reinforced concrete and stone, connecting the interior and exterior through generous openings. The whole social area of the house is integrated in open space, which makes up the living room, dining room and a compact kitchen. It opens out to both the front view of the sea and forest and to a lush garden, where the protagonist is a palm tree remnant of the original forest. Here's a look at the plan.